My name is Maria, and this is my story when I found myself in a dilemma and had to make a terrible decision to steal money from the village. I will tell you all my story. In my family, I have my younger sister and she is my everything. I take care of her very carefully. One day, my younger sister started having a lot of pain in her leg. I immediately took her to the doctor, and after examining her, the doctor said that she should have an operation on her leg as soon as possible, otherwise her leg will be useless. It will cost a lot of money and I don't have any money. I don't ask anyone for help. I get very stressed and don't know what to do. Then one day I was sitting crying at a place. At this time, a person was passing by and heard my crying. He came to me. His name is Max. He asked me why I was crying. Do you need any help? I immediately said yes. I need help. Will you help me? Since I need money for my sister's operation, I decided to take help from that unknown person. Max put me in his car and took me to Max's house. Max was a very big person. He had a very big bungalow and 5 to 10 four-wheelers. But I knew that Max was a stubborn and angry person. Max asked me what I wanted. I told him that I needed money for my sister's leg operation. Max says, "Okay, I will help you with everything you need, but I have one condition." So I say, "What is your condition?" Max says that you have to marry me and make me your life partner if I have to do it for my sister. Without thinking about it, I say this, and Max says, "Today we will get married today," and Max takes the money and puts it in a drop box on a table in front of me. I don't like Max and I don't want to marry him, but I am determined. Then I take a bold decision and steals the money that Max kept in the drop box on the table and runs away from here. I was running for a few hours at night and I was tired of running. I needed to rest, so I found a hut, and there was an old lady in that hut. She was living alone. She was very kind. She took me in and asked, "Why are you roaming around so late at night?" Then I told all the information, and old lady told me, "Don't worry. Return the money you stole and I will give you some coins that I have with me. And you sell it and operate on your sister's leg." Then I return the money that Max stole to Max, and I apologize to him, and Max forgives me. Then I sell the coins and bring the money and operate on my sister's leg, and she recovered after a few days. But I was missing my grandmother a lot. Then I go to meet my grandmother, and when I go there, I don't see my grandmother in the hut, so she must have left this village. If you liked my story, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.